how the law of attraction works in a nutshell. That's right. So I'm about to explain to you exactly how the law of attraction is supposed to be working for you in a nutshell. A basic, simple explanation to help you understand whether or not you're using the law of attraction right in order to get it to work. Okay, so let's get right down into it. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Okay, first things first. The law of attraction is just a matter of you believing in something that you cannot yet see that you want to attract. So you use the law of attraction to do this. It's simply just faith. You know, you being able to continuously believe and affirm within yourself that you have the thing that you want until it manifests. Now, you might ask yourself, well, what is manifestation? How does something manifest? You get the thing that you desire. It will manifest to you when you're using the law of attraction properly by doing things such as meditating. How many of you out there meditate? Okay, I meditate too. Meditation is an essential practice that you can do daily to get your mind to think that you already have the thing that you want to attract by using visualization. So you would lay down in the bed, or you would sit Indian style on the floor, and you would just sit and you would just ponder yourself on a nice resort. You know, you would just ponder you having a family. You would just think about that thing that you want to attract in your mind's eye. See, when you have these two eyes closed, you begin to see images in your mind's eye. So you meditate on these things, maybe 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's how long my meditation lasts. Maybe 10 or 15 minutes a day. That's it. Just visualizing the thing that you want to law of attract into your life and to manifest. Now, what we're doing here in order to make the law of attraction work is we're transforming our mind. We're renewing our mind to create the desired outcome into our reality. After all, everything is in the mind. If you took the brain out of the skull, oh my God, I'm talking about anatomy. Don't you love it? If you take the brain out of your skull, what would you see with your two eyes? Ooh, nothing. Therefore, what you're seeing in your reality is just the perceptions that you have in your very own mind, and the same with everybody else. So you have to get yourself to see in your mind's eye first what you want to law of attract into your life, and then you will begin to see that thing appear in manifestation like magic in your very own reality. Another thing you can use other than meditation to get the law of attraction to work is affirmations. That's when you're speaking into existence that you already have the thing that you want. You already possess it. So what this does is it makes you feel like you don't have to chase it. You know, it releases the tension of not having it. You know, you have to have a sense of non-resistance if you want the law of attraction to work. You know, so you would say things such as, I am rich. I am kind if you want to be a more kind person. You know, I am abundant if you want to attract abundance into your life where you have more than enough in everything. You know, I am is basically you saying, I am, the God in me can easily and rightfully deserves anything that I want to attract, because all I have to do is speak I am into the universe, and then it is so. Whatever you believe that you are using I am, that's what you become. And the more you affirm that you have the thing that you want to law of attract into your life without having it, the more you say that you have it, the more you're sending signals into the universe to tell you or to show you that you have it, and it's going to show up in your life like magic. That's what the secret law of attraction is all about. It's all about like magic, good magic. You know, life is a magical place. And I think we're just now realizing that, because we're realizing the power that's within us. You're realizing the power that's within you. And so the law of attraction just simply helps you unlock the power that's within you in speaking things into existence and believing and having faith that you already have the thing that you want to attract. See, a lot of people think that the universe makes things happen. Oh, 10 years from now, I'll be able to have that new house. Oh, God ain't ready yet. God got me on the waiting list. That's not true. The time is now. Everything is perfect right now. It's just that you have to awaken to the realization of the fact that it is. The more you continuously believe that the law of attraction is working and that your affirmations are real, your visualization in your mind, it should come to life in your mind, you know, and it should make you happy to be able to see in your mind's eye the thing that you desire to attract, to the point that you feel like you have it. It's like kids. It's like how you can sit and watch a kid play a make-believe game because they feel like they are inside of the story or the movie that they've been watching for like the past 24 hours. You know, they feel like the character. You can't tell them otherwise. And they start acting it out and you're just in awe because you see how a kid is able to believe in something that is not even there. But you can't tell them that it's not even there, because to them, in their reality, they see things and it's probably there. But that's their reality. Just like you have your very own reality. So you have to awakening to the fact that anything that you want, you can have using the secret law of attraction. So this is the secret law of attraction. This is how the secret law of attraction works in a nutshell. Hope I explained it well. If this video resonated with you folks, give it a thumbs up. In the meantime, if you want to watch another video about how the law of attraction works, just click this video right here and I'll see you in the next video. Otherwise, if you're still here and you want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe down there in the bottom right beside my name, Trenius Henderson, that red subscribe button. Or you can just hit my little face right here. Click that little face right there. It will have you to subscribe. Here's another video on how the law of attraction works. In the meantime, speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a nice comment below and let me know, when did you come across the secret law of attraction? What was your life like before you learned about the secret law of attraction? And have you been using the secret law of attraction and seeing manifestations actually come into your life already? Let me know. Leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.